Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today I'll show you how to connect your Bronco Max industrial sign and label print system to a PC. This will include powering up your Bronco Max, installing the required software, adjusting your Windows printer security settings, and printing a label using LabelForge PRO, our free sign label design software. Let's get started. You'll just need a few things to get started. First, we'll use our power supply. Secondly, we'll use our USB connection so we can hook up our Bronco Max to the PC. And lastly, we'll be using the USB drive that comes with the Bronco Max. This is our PC driver information and the LabelForge PRO software that we'll be installing. And of course, you're going to need your Bronco Max industrial sign label print system along with your PC to get the process started. Start by connecting the power supply for the Bronco Max into an outlet near you, and make sure that the arrow is facing up when plugging in the connection to your Bronco Max. Next, we're going to press the power button on the back right of the printer. When the printer powers on, the light on the front will turn green. Next, we'll plug in our USB cord that's going to help us connect the Bronco Max to the PC. And now we'll take the PC network cord for the printer and plug it in to the left of the power supply port. And now we'll take the other end of the USB and plug it into the PC dock. Now insert your provided USB drive into an available USB slot for your PC. Now with Bronco Max connected to the PC along with the USB drive provided connected to the PC, you're going to go over to your File Explorer. Make sure that you go down to your USB drive. This one is called LF Pro. So you're going to click on that, and then you'll see a LabelForge Pro setup file within your USB drive, and then we're going to double click that. Then the user license agreement prompt pops up. Make sure to read this. To save time, I'm just going to hit accept and then hit next, and then I'm going to hit install. After installing LabelForge Pro software, a prompt will come up asking if you'd like to restart your computer or not. It defaults to no, but I'm going to hit yes so our computer registers and loads those system changes correctly. Then I'm going to hit finish. You can also search for LabelForge Pro in your taskbar below. You're going to click on that, and now you're in LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's free sign label design software. You're going to see that you have the icon on your taskbar for LabelForge PRO. If you're going to be using this often, you might as well just pin it. I'm going to minimize our LabelForge PRO window as of right now because we're going to be hopping between the PC settings and the LabelForge PRO application. Now we're going to have to go over to our system settings. You can type this in on the search bar within your taskbar, but I have the system settings pinned to my taskbar already, so I'm going to click on that. Now within your Windows and PC settings, we're going to go over to Bluetooth and devices, then we're going to go over to printers and scanners. You'll see that we have our DuraLabel Bronco Max here. If you do not see this here, please make sure to restart your PC or restart your print system. Now we're going to click on the DuraLabel Bronco Max. We're going to go over to Printer Properties. We're going to want to go over to the Security tab next. And then we're going to go over to Groups and Usernames. We're going to click on Everyone. And under there, we're going to see our permissions for everyone. You're going to want to make sure under the Allow section that you have checked on Print, Manage this printer, and Manage Documents. So I'm going to click on Manage Documents since I have the others checked. And then you're just going to simply hit Apply, and then OK. Then we're going to close out of our Windows PC settings. After changing our printer's security settings, we're now back in LabelForge Pro. We're going to go over to the printer icon down here, and then you'll see that we have to install an update for the Bronco Max. So we're going to hit Install Update. It's going to take your printer offline for a second. And after the update is successfully installed, we're going to restart our printer. So click on the power button for your printer, then hit it again. It's going to take a little bit till it turns back on. And now since you've restarted your Bronco Max, you'll see that you are on the current version of LabelForge Pro. We're going to exit out of this area. And now we're ready to design and print our first label inside LabelForge Pro using our Premade Sign Library. And this is our Premade Sign Library. We have 3,000 plus pre-made templates for you to choose from, so you can design and print signs and labels within seconds. We're going to go over to the search bar and we're going to type in forklift. Hit enter, and then we're going to go over to this caution forklift traffic sign. and then we're going to hit open. And now with our caution label loaded up, we're not going to change anything. It's ready to go as is. So we're going to click on the printer icon. And after you've hit the print icon, you're going to go over to the printer category up at the top and make sure that you have DuraLabel Bronco Max selected. And then after that, you're going to simply just go over and hit print. And there you go, you've created and printed your first label inside a LabelForge PRO using your Bronco Max on the PC. And that's it. Your Bronco Max is powered on, connected, set up, and ready to print with LabelForge PRO. Don't forget to register your printer at duralabel.com/register. For a hassle-free remote setup and free lifetime support, contact a DuraLabel support specialist at duralabel.com/support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.